This topic is called square root of perfect squares with signs. So I made a list of perfect squares, and that's this one right here. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Those numbers are called perfect squares because when we take a counting number and square it, we get that number. So the square root of 9 would be 3. Now it says with signs because you might have a negative number in there. Now, if you have the square root of a negative number, so the second problem here, the square root of negative 64, that's not going to be a real number. It will be imaginary. So we're going to put in here, it's not a real number. If the negative sign is outside the square root, then your answer will be a negative number. So square root of 16, we come down, we find 16 in our list of perfect squares, and the number above it is 4. So the square root of 16 is 4. So this first one would be negative 4. So when the negative sign is outside the square root symbol, then you include the negative sign in your answer. If the negative sign is under the square root symbol, the radical sign, then it's not going to be a real number. P.S. Please subscribe to my channel and like any videos that are helpful to you. So notice that in this first one, there's a negative sign under the radical. So this one will be not a real number. Negative square root 25, we keep the negative sign and we look for our perfect squares 25, and the square root of 25 will be 5. All right, let's do one more. So this one will be negative 2. So the square root of 4 is 2. And the second one has a negative under the radical, so that's not a real number. And that's the end of the lesson.